right, number one. So as you can see, I've already gone ahead and solved every single question from this paper. And the point of this videos is to actually guide you guys through how I did each and every step. Okay, so let's have a look at the first question. Now, given that y equals 4x cubed minus 5 over x squared, where x doesn't equal 0 because it's a fraction, find in their simplest form dy over dx and the integral of y dx. Okay, so for the first one, this is just a formula. This is just called differentiation at the first order. All you have to do is, before you even think about differentiating or integrating, rewrite the first equation in terms of the standard x to the power form. So looking at this one, we have 4x cubed, which is fine. However, we got 5 over x squared, and we have to realize that when you got x squared in the bottom, to bring on the baseline, we put a negative power. So this means the reciprocal. So x squared goes up and you write x to the negative squared. Okay? Now let's go ahead and differentiate. The rule of differentiation is that we always drop the power down. So in this case, we just drop the 3 down. So it'll be 4 times 3, which is 12. And then subtract the power by 1. And for the next one, we drop minus 2 down. So it'll be minus 2 times minus 5, which is plus 10. Subtract the power by 1, you get minus 3. Now be careful, guys. And then this is even for myself. Always never make sure you drop it down to minus 1, because that's not minusing, that's adding 1. Okay, that's usually a common error here. Now for part B, the integral of y, in other words, integrating this whole equation from the beginning with respect to x, all you have to do is simply raise the power by 1. So again, using this equation that we rewrote, adding 1 to the power 3, you get 4, and then you divide it by itself. For the next part, you add 1 to this power, so it becomes minus 1. Drop it down, so you're going to have 5 over minus 1. And one thing, never forget the plus c. Like, this is literally the most important thing, plus c. You actually gain 1 mark right in there. And now all we do is just simplify the equation. The 4's cancel out, the minuses cancel out, you get a plus, and you're done. And that's it. You don't have to write it into its original form. You can leave it all in power form. And that's it. Let's go to number 2 now.